Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers, and today I'm here with Mentor. He's a Pacific franchise owner now for 4 months. You're doing very well in your first 4 months. We just had a few questions for you, so far. So first thing, how did you wind up hearing about, Pacific and the franchise opportunity?
Actually, a friend of mine, he found Pacific on the internet. I was looking to get a different business, to buy a franchise business. And then he said, I think this business has put 4 years in the business, and I think it's good to invest in it. And I did. I never did in my life what I did for Pacific. So before I used to do construction.
Okay, what kind of construction?
I used to do all renovations, inside and outside, interior and exterior. And with Pacific, it's less headache for me. I don't do paperwork, I don't do bookkeeping, everything is dealt with the office. All I have to do, get the tickets on a tablet and go on the field and do the job.
Right. Well, it's a lot easier than contracting work with, you were doing renovations and stuff.
I was doing by myself everything, and running all the paperwork and everything, so that was tough for me.
That's a lot to keep track of.
Right, yeah, that's why I switched. I said I need something different to get, and I love what I'm doing.
That's good. So you have experience doing, contracting, carpentry and stuff, and plumbing and electrical. But when you first came into Pacific, you didn't really know anything about irrigation or sprinkler systems.
No, I didn't know nothing. I was trained from one of the supervisors from the Pacific for 1 month. And after 1 month, I think it was the time to get on my feet. Start working on myself to be a good, opportunity.
That's good. Yeah, you're doing a great job. So far, we're in August now. Mentor started in around April in the spring in New Jersey. You did probably 500 or so spring turn-ons.
Right.
Then you're doing a lot of service calls, and what he's really good at is upselling more work, renovations, upgrading older systems, stuff like that. So, what do you think about Pacific so far? Could we improve on anything? Is there anything you want to say just about it so far?
Actually, I did jobs before, like I said, construction. A long time I did DJing, superintendent. I was an operation manager at a cleaning company in Manhattan. But I didn't expect like Pacific to be like easy for me to work in the field.
Right.
I was like something like big. But now, every time I wake up in the morning to go in the field, I love what I'm doing.
That's good.
Because everything it's deal with from the office. I don't have to worry about nothing. Everything is covered. So all the people working, like I said, everything deals from the office. So I don't have to worry about nothing. All I have to do to finish the job.
You work with your you're a worker with your hands.
Yes.
And that's what our whole system was built for. The guy like you're good with your hands. You're not scared to get dirty. But you really don't like the paperwork. It's a pain. It's a pain.
It's a pain in the thing is, the finish construction and compared to this one, it's because construction has a lot of things. The finish is as soon as the water comes out from the heads. You see spraying all over. That's the finish for the
Right.
For the
as long as it covers properly and everything.
Right. So that's the finish, and you see. I feel proud when I finish the renovations or.
You figure out the problem and get it going. So. All right, guys, cool. So that's Mentor's story for 4 months in. We'll follow up with you if you would do another video with me in another few months once we get through, and we'll keep you guys updated on his progress as he moves through his franchise. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.